All right, my beautiful friends. Here we go again. It is Wednesday, May 29, 2019. As I'm doing this video blog, stocks are trading for about 1 hour. And stocks are down across the board. However, well off of the lows, a major effort is going on right now to prop stocks back up. Again, it's a game, and this market is not real. Let's talk about the bond market again, because that's where you really need to be looking. The U.S. 10-year yield, as I am doing this, has come down again. It's 2.23, and the 30-year, 2.66. So just as I have been explaining for a while, the longer end of the curve is coming down. The whole yield curve is continuing to invert. It's getting airplay even from Steve Leisman. He said that he called it a death spiral. A death spiral. Steve Leisman. Yeah. Wow. But then of course you have whatever her name is, Sarah something or other from CNBC. But I don't understand it. The consumer is so strong, buried in debt more than they ever have in history. I'm not making this up. Oh, but the unemployment is so low. She's referring to the U3. She is a big player here, and she needs to keep people in line. She's part of the crew. You know that. So the story is pretty simple again, and I don't know another way to put it, so I'm just going to say it again. The debt market is a time bomb waiting to go off. It's been ignored for a very long time, but it is flashing red, and I mean flashing red, that there are problems coming down the pike. Our economy is obviously not the best that it's ever been. There's all talk about recession. There's talk about rate cuts. There's talk about more quantitative easing to support this economy that is in a death spiral. The economy is in a death spiral, and everyone knows it, except for most of the people out here. My window's over there now. It used to be behind me. But the people out there have no clue. Again, they've been programmed to believe everything is just fine. And again, stock market, look at it. They are trying to prop this up in a big way. Who would be buying here? Who would try to catch a falling knife? Nobody would. So we know what's going on here. And it's laughable. Let them play their games. That's fine. That's just the way it's going to be. Anyway, so with that said, pay attention to, if you even do this, to the mainstream channels who are starting to give, finally, the action in the bond market its fair share. Again, they have to avoid talking about it, and you will never, ever hear a word uttered from the President of the United States regarding what's happening in the bond market, because that would shed a little light onto what's actually happening. Not the fakery, the nonsense, the absolute garbage, fist-feeding of fake data, fake news. No. It's as good as it's ever been. Just look over here. Don't dream of looking here, because then you'll know the truth, and I can't allow you to do that. Yeah, that's the truth. Anyway, with that said, so let's keep an eye on this. Let's see what they managed to do here with this market. A lot of effort, like I said, and I mean huge, to repop stocks today. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't work. Don't know. But again, understand the environment is fake, 100%. I will see you at the end of the day.